Hey guys, welcome back. How are you? Yes, I know I'm getting the answer I'm fine. Is that right? Stop saying I'm fine from now onwards. Because I'm presenting the three cooler ways to reply when someone asks, how are you? Here we go. The first way is, I'm doing great. Thanks. The second way is, pretty good. What about you? Third way is, can't complain. These are the pretty cool ways to reply when somebody asks you, how are you? From now on, try to use these replies instead of the boring, I'm fine. Does the idea sound good to you? What do you say? Please comment down below in the comment section. I'll be waiting.